Today is the time to be unique from others. Hello and namaste everyone. In order to make your website unique and beautiful, you should use different types of theme settings in Bikai app. A customized and a unique website makes it easier for your customers to use your website. It attracts the right people to your brand and conveys your brand values in a matter of seconds. What's good for your customers is also good for your business. In this video, we will see different types of theme settings we can use for our website to make it more beautiful and attractive. In catalog collection option, you need to highlight specific catalogs of your store that makes it easier for your customers to purchase products under that catalog. For example, you want to show 3 catalogs: fruits, vegetables and pulses. In theme settings option and then in catalog collection option, you can add all 3 catalogs, and this is how it will be shown in your website. In this option, you can highlight specific products through which you can attract customers' attention towards your product. For example, there is some addition in your product list, and through this option, you can highlight them in trending or new products. You just need to name this collection and add these products. This is how it will be shown in your website. Under this option, you can highlight your store by giving it a unique and an attractive tagline. For example, your tagline is "Committed to customers, committed to the future." You just need to write the tagline, and this is how it will be shown in your website. The slideshow option really presents your store in a catchy manner. In this, you can add images such as banner, posters or your store images. You just need to add the images, and this is how you can use slideshow option. This option can be used to run a special discount offer on any special event for some products or for all products. You can assign a special catalog as well, which will be opened by simply clicking on it. For example, on Holi festival, you want to run a 20% discount offer on all of your products. You just need to use an image that will highlight your offer, mention the discount percentage, and then select the products on which your customers will get this benefit. And this is how it will be presented in your website. Through this option, you can tell your customer about your store, the process or the history behind your store. You can also mention the journey behind your store. This creates a good impact that your store is well established from many years, and it also creates a good impression in the minds of your customer. You just need to mention about your store, and this is how it will be highlighted in your website. In this option, you can share customer reviews that you have received for your store. This is the new way of promotion, as the store with good ratings and feedback has more chances to grow in the market. You can simply enable this option, and this is how it will be highlighted in your website. Under this option, you can highlight one single product of your store. This option can be used to highlight the best selling product of your store in order to increase the sale of that particular product. We have received many questions that if they can use only one of the following options, but no, you can use a combination of all these options in order to make your website unique and attractive. You can simply reorder different themes in order to design your website. After clicking on reorder tab, you just need to drag the option you want in a particular way. Also, for any other support, you can contact our customer support team as well. Thank you so much.